Hey my beautiful babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a beautiful yellow eyeshadow look. So let me know what color you want to see next. So if you want to see how I create this look, continue to watch. First I'm going to start off with this LA Girl Pro Primer. This is in, well, concealer. This is in just plain white. It is corrector. I'm going to use that as a base. I'm going to place that all over my lid and blend it out with my finger. And I am on the phone with Wednesday, so just in case you see my lips moving, that is what I am doing. The first color I'm going to take is out of the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Zulu palette. It is a yellow. It doesn't have a name, so I'm just going to place this color inside of the crease. So now I'm going to take this yellow out of the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to pack that onto the lid. So I'm taking my Makeup Forever Flash palette. I'm going to use this yellow, and I'm going to put it on my waterline and use it as an eyeliner. So now we're going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and this is the yellow that I'm going to use right now. And we're going to place that color on the lower lash line and blow it out. So now I'm going to take Fenty's Beauty's Trophy Wife, and I'm just going to place that over the lid just to give it a little more definition, a little bit of sheen. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and apply lashes as well as concealer. And this concealer is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Cafe. And I'm just going to place that on under my eyes, up my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. To set the concealed areas, I'm going to use Topaz by Ben Nye, and I'm just going to go over the highlighted areas. Okay, so now I'm using another Ben Nye powder. This one is in Sierra and Chestnut Mix, and I'm just going to apply that all over the face, even over the highlighted areas. Okay, so it's time to add some mascara, and then also I am going to contour with the Black Radiance in Coffee. So now I'm going to take the Fenty's Beauty in Trophy Wife, and I'm going to highlight with this color. Okay, so now it's time for the lippy. So we're going to use this ColourPop Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Zipper. Okay, so here is the completed look. Don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first one to know. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.